Welcome to MANDO'S ZAIKA. In this video, let's make strawberry banana milkshake. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Add water. Stir it. Let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, see the difference. The seeds have absorbed water and increased in size. Always soak chia seeds before using. These seeds are bland in taste and can be added to pretty much everything. In a blender jar, add 1 cup strawberries cut in half. One banana cut into pieces. Two tablespoons vanilla ice cream. 1 cup chia seeds soaked in water for half an hour. One glass of milk. Blend them. This milkshake can be a healthy breakfast option if you want to lose some weight. Chia seeds are low in calories but rich in nutrients, omega-3 fatty acids, and loaded with antioxidants. Strawberry banana chia smoothie ready to serve. Thanks for watching.